Oh, all right. Okay, cool. What is up, guys? Jump right into the video. Key fob training for your C5 Corvette. First thing first, when you buy your key fob, make sure you get the right one for your vehicle. Also, the prices have gone up. I've seen in the past they were a lot cheaper. Now they're like $100 a piece. So it is what it is. So it's the price to pay to get the key fob. So that's what you do. Pretty simple. Get your key, go to the on position, go to options, press it until the screen is blank. Oh, gotta close my doors. Hold reset. Fob training. So it says that, tap reset. And then now you're gonna see this screen come up after you hold them both, and then hold the lock and unlock button together just on the key fob. Okay, so if you're like me, once you get to that stage, so you're gonna go press options until it's blank. On reset, fob training, press it once more, fob training. The thing with me, you have to hold these buttons down for actually a while. At first I was like, does this not have a battery in it? It does. Hold them both down for, it says 15 seconds. I counted, it took me like 12 seconds for it to finally show up that it was programmed. So try that if you're having some issues with it being programmed. But you just hold down both these buttons and then it will say learned. So once it's learned, you can press the options button to just leave back out. So I'm gonna get out of the vehicle and test it real quick. Okay, so locked, unlock, and opens it up. So locked, let's see. Perfect. Cool. So that's how you program your key for your Corvette. And if you're having problems, hold it down for a little bit longer. That was my issue. So try that out.